the belows are on.
I remember this little thing from somewhere.
Yeah, Gigi bought from the Hotel Peabody in Memphis. They didn't have.
Oh, the Peabody Hotel in
Yeah,
Memphis.
so,
That's kind of cool.
yeah, that's where they're running.
What would you take? Oh, it's 50 cents. Would you
50 cents. It's
would you-
brass, but the brass is all
tarnished?
What happened to the bumblebee?
You know, we never did know what happened to that. It just disappeared.
Didn't we think that maybe a Negroid might have taken it
I don't know. I didn't think that.
at Presbyterian Village?
I hadn't heard that, but I guess it could have been any place, but it just disappeared.
All right, so we kind of feel like these are all reasonably priced right now.
I think so.
This is sort of the remnants, because this was a hot area yesterday.
Oh,
A
the
lot of
books.
people hovering around this, yeah.
And I'm surprised that those annuals went for
Slightly
$40.
over the
40 bucks.
$40.
For all of them, not 40 apiece.
And how many were there? 4?
5.
5. Wow.
We were asking $10 each, and then we said, okay, we'll give you 5 for the price of 4. And they did it.
Oh.
They did it. First he offered 35. I said, I'm not budging.
Huh. You said that.
Yep. Okay.
How about this over here, man? Is this price reasonable?
I guess
Free.
You can't quibble with that, can you?
They may want something to haul it off.
Well, if they're going to get it free, they
The
can-
fishing poles everybody seemed to be interested in yesterday.
Which one's that? Which,
All those fishing poles, but
Any
those
of
are.
Mr.
that
Sadler?
first man got this island. He got the cream of the crop. I think.
The cream of the crop. All right, now what about this over here?
Bill,
What exactly?
Bill, you are from a different age.
What?
You are from the age of the dinosaur.
Okay,
What
What
do
is
we
the
do
list-
about a dinosaur?
What is the list price? What is the list price for this? And are we willing to negotiate?
Bill is from the age of the dinosaur.
What's the list price? And are we willing to negotiate?
Dinosaurs like you can be pretty pricey.
Mm-hmm.
He won't let me.
What are you doing? Do it.
He won't
Adam.
let me.
What? Do what?
Put together the puzzle.
Grandmother did not like that.
You just go ahead. Do it.
Are these napkins?
Uh-huh.
I want to put one in the...
Adam, are you ready for day 2?
Of the lemonade stand.
Margaret, I think the lemonade stand has caused more controversy than it's worth.
Yeah, there was fighting among the.
How many of you, exactly how many cups of lemonade have you sold so far? About 3?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, so probably
There
2.
was fighting among the workers because of it. It was a very big controversy.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, that was starting to throw golf balls at me.
It's actually
Ooh, it's gone.
Adam, you put this thing together.
I don't know. An antique like Bill. That could go for $1 million.
puzzle together so much.
Bill the antique. Bill the antique.
Let's get an extreme close-up. Oh, my
Antique
word.
Bill.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and price you out at
I
75
would
cents.
price you at $1 million. You are a rare bird.
70, I'm going to price you out.
Dinosaur.
I'm going to price you out at 75 cents, but I'm willing to take a quarter.
You are a rare dinosaur.
Where'd grandmother go now?
She go to the hospital.
She checked herself into the hospital. These are Margaret's signs. You thinking of having some second thoughts about these prices?
Bill,
I think-
Yes.
can you fix that screen door where it closes again? I guess
Sure.
you fixed it so they
I
can-
think we'll start out with this because these are really bargains because there were these two things.
Is that real silver or silver plate?
Well, I think all tea services are not, you mean like sterling
plated.
silver?
Yeah.
I think
They're
they're not,
plated.
they're all, silver plated.
What does that mean?
But
They're
the
not
problem is, who uses those anymore? Nobody.
Well, there might be somebody old and old. That like that
Old.
has-
There might be
like
somebody
me,
old.
that would like one.
Daddy, there might be somebody old.
Boy, we really cleaned this room out, didn't we?
We did.
What do we think about, now this was the massager last night. We're not sure exactly what,
25%.
25 cents, we're gonna
Is
go with
that
20.
what, does your dad know about that?
No. Does he wanna go, what is he
Well,
gonna?
when you see him, why don't you ask him about it?
Well, I'm not gonna see, he's going to the emergency room today and we're done today.
I would say 50 cents more than 25 cents.
Okay,
Okay.
50 cents.
All right, we'll go with that. How about these things down here? Well, pretty much whatever anybody's willing to offer, you think?
I guess. Is that just a frame with no picture?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
There's the old key to Arkansas, which I've seen
You should
forever.
take that.
Here, I'm gonna put this over on the side.
Okay.
What's that big metal thing there? Engine room, yeah, what is that, a heater?
Yeah, I think that's a heater, uh-huh.
All right, I'm gonna take these out and put them on the shelf. Somebody might
Okay.
want them out there.
Hand weights.
What about the little weights?
Now, what about these, you see, the thing that I can't understand here, you're only asking $15 for all of these
Well, because
plates,
three of
but
the
then you're
plates-
asking $90 for that thing?
Well, that's a luxury item.
It's a luxury item, all right.
Alrighty, that's a lot. Here, that.
This seems like it's underpriced.
Margaret,
This seems like it's worth,
That only really
Can you
has
carry
about
these out for me, please?
5 or 6 plates that are any good.
And carry this.
Those are the ones that are broken.
I'm gonna put, oh, I'll take.
Does that say $15 for that?
yes, $15 for the whole
I think it's
thing.
worth that. If a
You
person
know
has
what? If you just hand me that.
Pair is
right on-
15
6
$15.
people.
You better bring that down to about $9, the lamps.
There you go.
No, I had them on the mantle in there.
Who's
You know,
looking
look
$15
at-
for the chair?
Huh?
Throw it away.
$15 for that
Just
chair?
leave-
Alright, well, maybe it needs a battery.
15, I thought you said 50.
Yeah, 15. Who's
Jim,
gonna take
grandmother
I
said
would
you can
say
sell
so.
that coffee table, but not the orange chair. Everything but the orange chair.
The orange chair.
There's the orange chair.
What if somebody wants to give us $100 for it?
The orange chair?
Yeah.
Did somebody ask you that?
Yes, I said it's not for sale. It's priceless.
Well, it can be for sale. I'm hoping, see, when you go in the computer room and your dad wants to show me something, I always have to stand
Oh.
up. I can't sit
So
down.
you want that chair?
Yeah, but I don't know whether there's enough room in there for it. If I could figure out if there's enough room, I would like it.
How about one of those folding chairs?
Uh-huh.
How about one of those folding chairs? The card table
Well,
one.
that might be okay, but this one you could scoot around better and on wheels. I'll look at the room real good and see if I can rearrange something in there. Yeah.
Well, this is the beginning of day 2. At the end of this day, everything in here is gonna be gone, right? Except probably for those candles, which nobody are gonna buy. How low can we go on the tea set? That's not negotiable?
50.
I guess 50, you can go to.
50, as low as 50.
And the rug, all right, yeah.
All right, somebody out there watching the cash box?
Mom.
Huh?
My mom is.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Kathy.
Yeah, Kathy, that's, that makes me feel good.
Yeah, probably. Maybe a little, maybe a
Did
tad
you get
bigger.
through taking the prices of everything?
Bill the dinosaur.
How many square feet is this house, Mom?
About 1,800.
Okay. Somebody was asking. Were you
Yeah.
asking, Kathy? Yeah, 18.
That's about it.
Is that bigger than you or the same as you?
That's a lot bigger.
Really? What's yours?
A lot less than that.
So Grandmama, $90 for the candles.
Don't you think that's a bargain?
Yes. As long as everything, as long as everything else for sale goes along with it, yeah. What if somebody said, I'll give you $90 for everything you've got for sale? Would you take it?
Well, I would say, let me think about it first.
Let me think about it.
Walk around and see, and I probably would.
Really?
Well,
If they'd be willing to lug it all away? So the candles you got in Chicago.
Yeah, at the brass rail.
Oh, that's very, That's impressive. What is the brand? I've never even heard of it.
It's a store at the that mall that goes up a vertical mall. It was one of the stores in there.
Water Tower Place?
Yeah, that's it.
The brass rail. And how much did you pay for them at the
Well,
time?
your dad bought it, and I'm not sure, but it was a lot more than that.
A lot more than $90.
Yeah, but it was cheaper then, I think, than it is now. Than the retail price would be now. It's really pretty if you could see them at dusk, when it's kind of dark light, and they're on the table.
Maybe that's the time we need to try to sell them then.
No, everybody else thinks
Maybe you should, that's the thing, maybe you need to bring them out here and fire them up. You know, so then we can spill them and then the whole place will go up in flames.
How many times did you use them? How many times?
Not
did you
many
use them?
times.
I mean, yeah, how many times do you think you used them?
I've used them at Christmas. I've used them several times.
Hey, we should get a picture right now.
Not just a
Yeah.
couple.
I'm getting a
No.
I want to get a group shot.
Well,
Wait a minute, I gotta finish the interviewing process first.
Where would you like to eat dinner tonight?
several times,
You use them several times during holidays and family gatherings and whatnot.
something like that.
Gotcha. All right, this is one of the 4 items right here that Margaret's showing us that's not negotiable.
A salad.
Let's review one more time. The rugs, $300, no less.
And where's your camera?
The
It's in my purse and it's in
the
Where would you like to have
Daddy,
dinner
look at
tonight?
this. Looks like it's been used for a dartboard.
Any particular kind of
the
There's some holes in your eye.
the tea set, the tea set, $60, no less. The candles, $90, no less. And then this picture right here.
Who put this hole in your eye?
I don't know. Probably somebody didn't like me. And there's not too many people like that.
What's that called?
Ann, how do you think the garage
Where
sale
would
is
you like
going
to eat
so
tonight,
far?
Mom?
The place we were talking
Slow.
about is
Well,
in
this
the
is day
Heights.
2.
Uh-huh.
This is day 2.
I
It'll-
thought
there'd be a
lot of working people. Where would you like to eat?
Yeah, I know.
They go
In
out
the
early.
kitchen or in the dining room at the Cove. I mean, the kitchen.
But they don't have, so you want to take something to the house to eat?
Our refrigerator
This
is packed full of food.
So you don't want to go out to eat tonight?
No, but you all go out.
this
Okay.
item that I'm looking at right now is very negotiable.
Bill, where would you like to eat tonight?
Anywhere you are not eating. I'm gonna
You
go.
might- you
I
might
would go
be
if we
eating
have
in
to
the
go out to
Cove.
eat. I'll go Frankie's.
You might be eating in the
How much
Cove.
fun it was when they were younger?
Anywhere you're not eating, but I'll go Frankie's if we got to go out to eat.
Margaret, where would you like to eat tonight?
I'd like to eat at
The other shopping mall.
at Yanni's.
The whole thing down.
Oh, really?
If you
Are they
have
building a new mall there? Or?
Our customers.
It's gonna be multi.
Bill can film the customers. Walk them
There's
around.
the customer. Market,
You got a customer
market
coming?
research.
Wait a minute. Be careful with that. Here come some customers.
It's Beauty and the Beast. Is Bobby back for his phone yet? Bobby
Does
back?
Bobby know yet who's got the
No, he does not.
Jumped
the
the gun
camera?
against Margaret.
He doesn't know.
Well, Margaret probably
Pretty
has
good
some
guess, but
choices.
Huh?
Morning.
Good morning.
I never shop
Oh, there's more stuff in the house, in the back of the house.
Angela, how do you think the garage sale's going so far? Good.
2 thumbs up.
Look at, man, the activity's really starting to pick up now.
Yeah, that's what we need, is people milling around other people. See Jim with the shop.
Here's our cashier right here.
hey,
Oh, he's a
hey.
good
All right, Margaret, all right, there goes the boss.
He's a really good cashier. He just lets me take the money.
Sure.
No, I don't. You the money.